Hi, I'm Joy Wade, and I'm an associate product marketing manager here at Google, and that basically means that I work on digital marketing campaigns. I grew up in a family of entrepreneurs, so my parents are small business owners, and then my older siblings are also small business owners. So I grew up always helping them with all aspects of running a business. I was the person who was like, hey, maybe we should have a website, maybe we should have social media pages and an email list. So that was really important for them because they started their business way before a lot of the marketing channels we have today existed. So it was them learning about digital marketing and me kind of being Gen Z and growing up in that digital space. I actually started a YouTube channel back in 2011, and that was kind of my start of falling in love with content and, digital content creation. I was making a lot of lifestyle content. That was the age of the beauty guru and, a lot of women doing makeup tutorials. For some reason, I thought I could do makeup well. I could not. But I think that's, the beauty of YouTube. It's all about experimenting and finding your voice. And, that those humble beginnings led to me eventually getting a career in digital marketing. After you graduate the program, looking for a job is going to be super important. And there's a ton of entry level digital marketing roles out there. Think about the skills that you got from the course as well as any other previous job experiences you have and marry those with things that you see employers are looking for. If you're starting to get overwhelmed in the course, I want you to know that you can do it. It's a lot of work to get through this course, but nothing gets done without hard work. I think you'll really see a payoff at the end, and you'll thank yourself when you finally have your career in digital marketing.